Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add files to your workroom on Guru. Here's a detailed guide on how to add files to your workroom on Guru. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and navigate to www.guru.com. Click on Login in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then click Login to access your dashboard. From your dashboard, navigate to the My Jobs section. Locate and click on the job for which you want to access the workroom. Now, I'll not be able to do that using this account because this is the Guru freelancer account. So ensure that if you want to access your workroom, you need to be signed into the Guru employer's account. I'll go again. From your dashboard, navigate to the My Job section. Locate and click on the job for which you want to access the workroom. On the job details page, look for the workroom tab or section and click on it. Inside the workroom, you will find various tabs such as Messages, Files, and Milestones. Click on the Files tab to access the File Management area. In the Files section, look for the Upload button or link. This is usually represented by an upward-facing arrow or labeled clearly. Click Upload to open the File Selection dialog. In the dialog, browse your computer's file system to locate the files you want to add to the workroom. Then, select the desired files. You can also hold down the Control key for Windows or the Command key for Mac to select multiple files at once. After selecting your files, click Open or Select in the File dialog to start the upload process. Then, wait for the files to upload. You may see a progress bar or notification indicating that the upload is in progress. Once the upload is complete, the files should appear in the File section of your workroom. Review the list to ensure that all files have been uploaded correctly. If needed, you can create folders within the File section to organize your files better. Look for an Add Folder button or option, click it, and name your new folder. Then you can drag and drop files into the folders for better organization. Now, if you need to inform your team or clients about the uploaded files, use the Messages tab to send a notification. Mention the specific files that were uploaded and their relevance to the project. After managing your files, you can optionally log out of Guru account by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Logout. By following the steps, you can successfully add files to your workroom on Guru. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.